can we delete transaction history in Commbank app? Before we begin, it's important to know that banks, including Commbank, don't allow users to permanently delete transaction history for security and legal reasons. However, I'll show you some alternative solutions to hide or manage a transaction effectively. First step is to check if you can hide transactions. Commbank does not provide an option to delete transactions, but you can manage your statements and account details. Here's what you can do. Open the Commbank app on your device and log into your account. Go to the Accounts tab and select the amount with the transaction you want to remove. Just scroll through the transaction list. There is no delete option, but you can filter and organize transactions for a cleaner view. If you need to dispute or remove a transaction, you can contact Commbank customer support. Call 132221 if you're in Australia or visit a local branch. You can also use the in-app chat to speak with support. They may not delete history, but they can help with transaction disputes. That's how you can manage a transaction history in the Commbank app.